COVID-19 has affected us all in some way, whether it be good or not so good. It is our job to do what we can to help fight this global pandemic. That's why, over the past few weeks, I've been printing these babies. At a time like this, we all need to help each other. Wait, let me take this off. Especially our healthcare workers. They're our front line of defense between us and the virus. One of the cool ways that people have been helping is by 3D printing face shields. Now, there's many organizations that collect, disinfect, and allocate face shields, one of which being Operation Shields Up, which I highly suggest everyone watching check out. There'll be links in the description below. They're super cool, doing a lot of cool work. But I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to exclusively print face shields for my local hospital. Now, while this might seem selfish, which it probably is, I kinda have an excuse. Kinda. My mom is actually a nurse at the hospital, so I have firsthand experience seeing how stressed her and her team are. So I wanted to do everything that I could to help. Now on the how I did it. I reached out to everyone I knew with a 3D printer. I reached out to libraries, to schools, to friends, to everyone I knew. I wanted to collect as many shields as possible. My goal was 100 shields. So I had a lot of work cut out for me, and unfortunately, as of recording this video, I haven't reached that goal. Now, that doesn't mean that I'm going to stop. I am still currently trying to print more shields, and I have a delivery of even more shields coming in, so I'm hoping to reach my goal very soon. After reaching out to everyone I knew with 3D printers, I began collecting supplies. Now, for the actual face shield part of the face shield, I actually used plastic binders, the kind that you put paper in. Luckily for me, they were cheap, and you got 2 for $1. So, what's not to like about that? For the band that holds it to your head, I actually used these elastic bands that originally had Velcro on the ends to act as an elastic strap to hold it on the user's head. While they're not perfect, as you can see, there's a lot of fraying on this one especially. They work well enough considering that these shields are typically going to be one use or not really going to be handled much once they're on the user. After a week of emailing, I finally got the first batch of shields. I immediately began cutting plastic in the elastic straps that hold the shield to your head, as you can see here. Then, after that, I began punching holes in the plastic shield part of the shield. Until... So, after about 2 hours of punching holes, I've ended up bending the hole puncher. This is going great. So after a third run to the store, I went back to punching. Now, before I go on, I'd like to make some disclaimers. While I am not wearing gloves, I am wearing a face mask, and before messing with the shields at all, I rigorously washed my hands with antibacterial soap. I know this isn't perfect, but after I put all the shields together, I wiped them down with isopropyl alcohol, where they were then packed, shipped to my mom's work, where they were then disinfected again by her and her team. So I think that's safe enough. I would like to conclude with, while this initiative wasn't perfect, my goal was to help healthcare workers help us. I really just hope I did that. Well, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope everyone checks out Operation Shields Up. If you could do anything to volunteer, help out, print shields, any of that, do it. We all need to work together to get through this global pandemic. Again, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. See you guys later.